Oh. Ida, love, I want you to listen to me. I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sudden movements.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you, dear. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
I've created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. It's not your normal run-of-the-mill conduct, that's all.
That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
And I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I'm telling you, he's a turkey.
He is not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.